Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have what you need: account, email, device, and payment info. Once signed in, go straight to your profile. Do not wander in menus. Make sure you open settings, then subscriptions or account, manage subscriptions. If you're on mobile, use the app. On desktop, use the account page. This locates active plans and next billing dates. Do this immediately because the clock on the next charge is based on your billing cycle and you want to stop it before that date. You're at the decisive moment. Select the active plan and choose cancel or turn off auto-renew. Read prompts, pick the appropriate reason if required, then confirm. Keep any confirmation number or screenshot. If your subscription was set up through the App Store or Play Store, don't cancel in the app. Open the store's subscriptions page and cancel there. Once done, check the displayed expiry date so you know exactly how long access continues. Make sure to capture on-screen confirmation for your records. After canceling, verify. Check your email and bank statement for confirmation and the final billing date. If you're within a trial or eligible refund window, request a refund and include the transaction ID, subscription dates, and proof. If the cancellation doesn't appear, try signing out and back in, clear the app cache or reinstall the app, then check again. If problems persist, contact Wildcraft support with screenshots and the confirmation number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.